Something is happening with my skin. I can't describe it. Okay, whoa. Is this supposed to feel that way? I am back. Hello, Jenna here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you a product review. My very first product review, and it's about my skin. So the two products that I'm talking about are these two. These two products are from Tropix. In order for me to really give a true and realistic review, I would like to really try this product for a few days, you know. So first of all, these two products, this little product, this one look like this. Jungle Clay Mask, a honey oil cleanser. So it's a cleanser, and it says gently massage cleanser into face and create a warming lather, rinse clean with water, use morning and evening. This one apply 2 times a week or as needed to refreshly clean skin. Allowed to set for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash skin with clean water. It's actually really easy, so I'm just gonna try this right away and just keep like a freshly review how I feel about this product right now. Let's start. My first impression. Interesting. Ingredients: aloe vera juice, coconut, green tea, apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, avocado oil. Ooh, all those good stuff that I like. Avocado oil, papaya fruit, organic pineapple fruit, vitamin E, aloe vera gel. Whoa. There's a lot of good things in there. Cucumber extract. Anyway, it smells delicious. It smells really natural. Feel soft. They're like little, like peeling stick thing. How do you call that? In there. Okay, so I feel like it's gonna really feel good later on my skin because I like the peeling effect. And there's like some little stone or sandy thing in it. Not sure. So what I thought was like to put it in the area where I have my problems, and that would be like exactly over my big forehead, around this area, maybe a little bit around my nose because there I also have some uneven skin areas, and down here. So I'm gonna apply that and come back and show you guys that. Okay. Okay, since I felt like it dries really fast, so I'm gonna try to apply very fast. Oh wow, it dries really quick. So if you're thinking of trying this product, especially this clay mask, be prepared that it dries very fast. I'm not sure if that is a good thing or not. I will see later. So a little bit more over here. So you have to be really quick in applying it, or else it feels like you will be. You see that? I already put it here. The more you go over it, you're just taking it off again. So you have to really be fast in applying this product. I look funny. Be fast. So I think that's it. Sexy. So that's it. It dries so fast. Wow. I think if you are looking for something where you can like later massage your face and take your time in applying it, I don't think that's the right product because it dries really fast. I don't know if you can see it, but this is almost already dried. And yeah, it's a very small packaging, but I think if you just use just a little bit, as I said, just a thin layer, I'm sure this could last me maybe 3 months. I will come back later and show you guys how I look. Oh, I just washed off the clay mask and ow. And my skin, how do I feel about it? I feel like it is soft. It leaves like a softening effect after. So usually after I wash my face, I do need a cream to like to put on my skin, or else my skin is gonna be very dry after. Um, I'm not really sure how I feel about it right now because it's just I'm just starting using it. It smells good. My skin still feel good after it. I didn't get any skin reaction from it, so I'm just gonna continue using it and see how everything goes with it. So let me just quickly apply this one too. Let's do this. Ooh. So it does says keep away from eye, so don't let it get into your eye if you're using it. I also feel really good. I feel like it's like a soapy thing. So some over my forehead. I can't get it out with my left hand. I have to straw with the right hand. I'm not left-handed. Okay, that should be enough. Says massage it in. There's something is happening. Something is happening with my skin. I can't describe it. Okay, whoa. Is this supposed to feel that way? I'm not sure, but something's happening. Um, okay. Let me try to explain or describe how it feels like. So first of all, it smells exactly like the other one. Not exactly the same, but it does smells not. It smells natural and nice. Ingredients are virgin oil, Jamaica black castor oil, African black soap, chia butter, apple cider vinegar, honey, real jelly. So there are some good things in there. It feels really soft. Feels like when you're using one of your not favorite oils to massage your skin. And the difference to it is just like there's also this little corny peeling effect thing in it that makes it even better applying it. And yeah, like massaging it in. So yeah, what else can I say? It smells good. It do really smells good. I like actually the way it smells. It's not too, I don't like the perfuming thing that is so strong. It's very natural. And it feels like on my skin. You feel like kind of it's ticklish? It's not ticklish. So how should I explain it? It's this refreshing feeling down. Like not like I freshly washed my face. I feel like it's there's something happening under my skin. I can't find the words for it um, to explain it. um, so anyway, I just washed my face. I feel like I don't really necessarily have to um, add a cream on my face anymore. So normally when I wash my face, I just let it air dry, and that's what I'm just gonna do this time too. Just let it dry, and hopefully let's see how what this product is gonna do to my skin the next following days and weeks. Hopefully my skin will feel better, as even better than it is right now. For now, I feel like thumbs up for the product. It smells good. It haven't done anything bad to my skin, and I like it so far. Let's see if I'm still gonna like it at the end of 14 days. It's been a little bit over 3 weeks now. I think it's been 3 weeks and 5 days. Yeah, so almost 4 weeks that I've been using the product from Tropix. And I have the honey oil cleanser on my face. That's why it's so oily right now. I've been using this like twice a day, morning and evening. for the last few weeks. There's still enough in it. So the clay mask, I didn't use that often, to be honest. I only use it like sorry, I only use it like twice a week because I didn't feel like I didn't feel like that I need that often a face mask. My officially review about the two products that I've been using a few weeks ago is yes, it is good. Will I buy it? I think I will buy it if I had really issues with my skin. As you already saw from the beginning that my skin wasn't really that bad. I already have like a normal skin, and every now and then I have like some breakouts. So if you have like a really bad skin, you want to get rid of it, this product will really help you. I feel like it's really this, especially this one, because I'll be using this consistently twice a day, that after adding it to it, I just let it sit like for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and I always feel like this there's I wasn't even able to explain it a few weeks ago, and see now I can't explain the feeling that it gives under my skin. It's kind of like, it's not an itchy skin, but it's kind of pinching me under the skin. So it's nothing bad. It's good. It's good. And so especially in the areas that I personally always have issue with, my oily area, like just around my lips, my nose, and my this part in on my forehead. I always have those are already areas that I have like just tiny breakouts. So I feel like exactly in those areas, that's where I feel this product the most. I wouldn't say that the last 4 weeks that this product was like, oh my god, it changed my life in the last 4 weeks, because I've been using it already for that long. But I always say I add it to my routine, and it definitely helped me like really clean out my pores. And the thing that I liked the most about this two product was that after using it and washing my face, I really feel like my face was so fresh, and I don't know, I have like this nice tight feeling on my face. So yeah, that was my review to the Purefying 2 product. I'm gonna let this oil sit a little bit. Let me know what you think about it. If you've already used the product before, what was your experience? Please comment below. If you're also interested in seeing what product I use for my skin routine and how I do my eyebrows, please just check the link below. For now, that was all from me to this product. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching. I will see you in 2 weeks. Bye. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at you now. Don't get it into your eyes. Don't. I did it once and it was painful. Painful. I don't even want to think about it.